In this video, I'll show you how to remove the shipping phone number from the pack and slip in Shopify. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then at the bottom left corner, click on Settings, and then select Shipping and Delivery. Now scroll all the way down under Shipping Documents section, select Pack and Slip Template. Before making changes in the template, make sure to save the backup copy. For that, place the cursor in the code editor, then press Ctrl-A to highlight all the code, and Ctrl-C for copy. Then paste this code in plain text document on the local computer. Now we are ready to make the changes. Once again, place the cursor in the code editor, press Ctrl-F on keyboard. In defined field, type shipping_address.phone, and then press enter. Approximately on line 50, look for the following liquid if statement. If shipping_address.phone, we're going to comment out all this code until the closing end of liquid tag, which is located on line 53. To make this change, add some space above, then open left and right curly braces, add 2 percentage signs. In between percentage signs, type comment, then copy this tag and paste it just under the closing end of liquid tag right here. And finally, instead of comment, type end comment. Once you're done making these changes, at the top click on Save. Let's exit this page. Let's open the orders. Let's open the latest order. At the very top, click on Print Pack and Slips. And as you can see, the updated pack and slip no longer includes the shipping phone number. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please come to my channel. Thank you.